Man, hey, you're all up in my face, man. Oh, cute little girl. Oh, you're so pretty. You're such a pretty little girl. Oh, you're so pretty. What a pretty little. Oh no. Oh, look at that pretty face. Look at that. Look at that pretty face. Oh, what pretty face. Oh no. What are you gonna do about it? You don't care, huh? Because you live or whatever. It's the top of your head, huh? Oh, you're so pretty. What a pretty girl. Oh, you pretty girl. Hey, let me see your face. Are you upset? Are you upset? Huh? You don't want me touching the top of your head? Oh, what a pretty girl. Look at that face. Oh, what a pretty face. Oh. Yeah, you love it. You know you do. Look at that grumpy face. You love it. You know you do. Huh? Huh? Oh, it's your problem, huh? Oh, cute. You ready for some more? Ready? Let's go like this. Full face. Full face. Full face. Full face. Full face. Full face. Oh. You know you're gonna bite me? Are you gonna bite me or are you just gonna give me some kisses? That's what I thought. Some kisses, huh? You're so beautiful. Oh, look cute. She's purring. Oh, she's not hitting on me right now. She's purring. I can feel her. I can feel it. She's vibrating like a little kitty. She loves me. Oh, what a good girl. Yeah. What a good girl. That pretty face. Look at that pretty face right there. Alright. I'll leave you alone. Sorry I embarrassed you. We'll catch you later.